Rolex Watch Company is run by a non-profitable charity trust and they donate 90% of their profit to them because the founder was an orphan. If you have tattoo on any part of the body, you are prohibited in jobs like IAS, IPS, IRS, IFS, Indian Defence Service, Army, Navy and Air Force. You can eat 25 karat gold without falling ill. As pure gold is chemically inert, it will pass through the body and will get eliminated as waste. Musician Grimes, who is currently in a relationship with Elon Musk, said that she will move to Mars and do manual labor until death. A 32-year-old Pakistani man, Mohammad Ikram, who was born without arms, has mastered the game of snooker by playing with his chin. The image of Mahatma Gandhi you see on Indian currency is a copy of the image taken in 1947. The original image was later cropped and flipped horizontally to be used on the Indian currency. Originally, the Eiffel Tower was going to be erected in Barcelona, but the project was rejected because citizens thought it was an eyesore. Believe it or not, but it is painting. If you can solve this math problem, you are a genius. 6 minus 1 into 0 plus 2 divided by 2 is equal to. Jackie Chan was in his mother's womb for more than 12 months. Psychology says you can love two people at the same time but never at the same level. Japanese researchers have successfully developed a device that will be able to literally play back your dreams in video sequence. A bathroom in Tamil Nadu built with plastic bottles collected from trash. The plastic bottles are filled with a mixture of sand and cement and used as an alternative for bricks. Spotify hadn't turned a profit until 2019. They have been operating since 2006. 7-foot Bolaji Badejo, a Nigerian design student and one-time actor, wearing his costume for the now classic sci-fi thriller Alien in 1978. A train in the Netherlands failed to stop in time and broke through the emergency barrier. It's being held up by the statue of a whale's tail. Abandoned demon statue at a Polish mausoleum. This is Christina Zanetto, who has removed over 300 hooks from shark's mouth. This mind-bending structure is an amusement park made by Wonderworks in Panama City. There is a snake in the world whose body grows 0.5 cm per second. Every 200 seconds it grows up to 1 meter, but as soon as his mouth touches any part of his body he dies. A Corinthian skull and helmet from the Battle of Marathon in 490 BCE. The skull was found still inside its helmet. Photographer Darren Person captured this incredible long exposure shot of lightning striking a tree. A town in Brazil named Movio do Cordeiro has shortage of men and a lot of beautiful women are desperately looking for men to love and marry them. The first Indian to own a car was Jamsetji Tata. He bought his first car in 1898. This is a dimple making machine made in 1936. Michael Jackson wanted to be Spider-Man so bad that he attempted to buy Marvel.
won't leave my mind. When I'm with you, yeah, nothing really matters. Don't need money or time. I got